Hi viewers, today we will be visiting one of the big dams of Idukki district, Mattupetty Dam. This dam was built on the year 1953 and it took 4 years to complete this dam. So now let's see the dam dimension. This dam is 83.5 meters in width and 237.7 meters in height. This is an hydroelectricity generation dam. Also, we can see it works as a bridge for two-wheelers and four-wheelers. And we have to say it's a must-visit place in Munnar itinerary. So, if you like this type of content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. For full video of the Munnar Day 2 episode, please find it on the description box. Till then, keep traveling and exploring. Bye.